So after giving the car a good wash today and a polish, the little rust spot that I wasn't too worried about up on the top of the windscreen, I'm a little bit more worried about, so I'm going to deal to that and give it a touch up. And these are the tools I'm going to use. We got a wire brush, selection of files, different grades of sandpaper, some rust converter, which is 470 grams per litre of phosphoric acid. It should neutralise any bits of rust I can't get out. And we've got inhibitor primer. We've got our touch-up paint, Volkswagen LCL 5L Mystic Blue from Touch-Up Paint nz.co.nz. They do these nice little handy little pots of everything. We got some clear coat to go on top, a brush to paint stuff with, and some masking tape to mask off the good paint so we don't damage anything. So it's two different grades of wet and dry paper, 80 grit and 180 grit. Seems to have taken most of the rust off.